Hi everyone, in this video we are going to use these dried leaves, cut small pieces of them. Now we are going to braid all of them together and then make a circular form like this. We are making a mini basket here. Add more details like we are pasting handles and cherry, and look, it's done. We are going to cut the base of these 2 cups and paste green sticks around it using hot glue gun. Now cover the top using this cloth and the cup base. Now braid jute around it, bend all the green sticks and give it a shape of this basket, and look, it is ready. You can call it standing swing basket. In this video we are going to use these empty boxes, so cut the box and paste it on the lid like this. Now cover it using this jute. We are going to make spiral circular thing here and paste it using hot glue gun, and look, your hat is ready. You can use it as decor piece. You can put plants inside it. In this video we are going to use this ceramic cup, paste double-sided tape on it and cover it using jute rope. We are going to cover it till the top and make flowers by bending the jute rope like this. Paste it on the flower pot and look, it is done. You can put flowers inside it. We need these materials. Cut the top of the plastic cup and paste green sticks around it. Now we are going to paste the jute rope around it using hot glue gun and start braiding it at the top. Paste a beautiful lace, paste flowers and handle, and look, your mini basket is ready. Let's use this empty can. We are going to cover the base and paste green sticks around it using hot glue gun. After this we are going to bend those sticks and braid the jute around it. We are going to give a beautiful texture to it. Paste the lace and beautiful cherries, and look, it is ready. You can use it as pen stand. We are going to use this empty box, so cut it and cover it using this beautiful cloth. Now paste green sticks around it and start covering it using jute rope. We are going to braid it on the top. Paste a beautiful lace on the top. Make the handles, cover all of them, and look, your beautiful flower basket is ready. Let's use this empty plastic cup. We are going to cut the base and cover it using this beautiful fabric. Now paste green sticks around it and start covering it using jute rope and these colorful threads on the top. Now we are making the handles and paste all of them together, and look, your basket is ready. You can use it for your toffees and biscuits.